Here comes your pre-market summary for Tuesday, May 31st, final trading day of May. Futures pointing back to the downside so far this morning, coming off back-to-back pretty impressive performances to end last week. In fact, all three U.S. indexes ending a 7-week-long losing streak on Friday. So we'll see if we can't reverse some of these red numbers to start things off. Let's look at how things stand at the moment. 0.6 for the S&P, the Dow 0.7, 0.3 right now for NASDAQ futures. TSX futures here in Toronto pointing to a slightly lower start as well. There's crude oil now 3.1% to the upside. One of the stories we are watching so far this morning going to be about oil prices and energy stocks, even those small cap energy stocks putting in nice gains so far. Bitcoin and Ethereum also at the bottom end of the board back in positive territory. Markets coming off, as I said, a pretty impressive week last week. We had the Dow up 6.2% on the week last week. The S&P 6.5%. The NASDAQ, though, led the way 6.8%. Here's a few other stories we're going to keep an eye on so far this morning. Big tech led the rally both Thursday and Friday. Going to be important. Apple supplier Foxconn saying, yeah, those supply chain worries they were talking about a month ago, no longer a concern. We'll see if Apple shares can rally on that. Oil, as I mentioned, higher in the pre-market here. The EU agreeing on a plan to ban most Russian crude. Unilever, not one we typically look at, up huge this morning as Nelson Peltz joins the board of Unilever. Chinese ADRs, including EV stocks, higher in the pre-market this morning as COVID cases seem to be tailing off, heading in the right direction in China. Hopefully that'll benefit some production for NIO. Positive along with Tesla this morning as well. Grab the watch list, guys. Use the QR code, bottom end of the screen. Join us at 8:30, won't you, on TraderTV.Live.